Withdrawing funds held by WhatsApp can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through the withdrawal process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account that holds the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access payments. Navigate to the payments section within the app. This is usually found in the settings menu where you can see your payment options and transaction history. Step 3. Select withdraw option. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw or transfer to bank. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. You may have options such as transferring to your bank account or using a linked payment service. Follow the prompts to choose a method that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your selected account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking WhatsApp's Help Center for further assistance.